Today's story name is The Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog. He was very hungry. He wanted to have food. He searched for food everywhere but did not get. At the last, he found a bone. He picked up the bone with his mouth and started going back to home. On the way, there was a narrow bridge. That time, he saw his reflection in the water. He thought that there was another dog too with a bone. He wanted to have another bone too. He opened his mouth and barked. Bobo, Bobo. His bone fell in the water. The greedy dog lost his bone. Moral of the story: don't be greedy. Thank you.